What I wish I knew years ago. Air fryer magic. Let's make lemon pepper chicken skewers. Here's what you need. 1 pound of chicken thighs cut into chunks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, salt to taste. Start by tossing the chicken chunks in a bowl. Add olive oil, lemon juice and zest. Now in goes the cracked black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it all up until the chicken's well coated. Thread the chicken onto skewers. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. Pop those skewers in for 15 minutes, flipping halfway. And boom, you've got yourself some zesty, peppery goodness. Serve with a side of veggies or rice. And don't forget to share your creations. Enjoy your tasty, air-fried masterpiece.